I'm Catherine Bonner. I'm the founder of Women of Passionate Purpose International, also known as WIPI. I'm glad you're here. I feel like I'm rushing all the time, and I know you can relate to that. It drives me crazy. But we've had all these different techo issues, so I'm getting to you late. We're switching over from one format to another. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes, but they're all good. And I want to invite you, if you have dreams within you, to start writing, whether it's a book, whether it's children's stories, whatever it is, your memoir, I don't know. But that class starts this coming Monday night. So go on the website, check it out. We have an amazing special right now. It's normally $147, and that's a great deal in and of itself. But we have our Girlfriend's Generosity special going right now. And that is where you get 2 tickets for the price of 1. So if you and a girlfriend have dreams of doing this, split the cost, come on in, join us. It's a great special. The other thing I want to let you know about, and you'll see all these links on the newsletter, so just dig around on there and you'll find them all. The other thing I want to let you know about is our membership. It's here. It's ready to go. And we are going to be doing a membership for Women of Passionate Purpose, and we're calling it WIPI Chicks Membership, where you become a member of WIPI, and we help you to grow in your dreams, in your passion, in your purpose, in your business. And I feel like I am an entrepreneur as well as what I call a spiritpreneur, because I walk by the power of the Spirit, and I want to help you do that too. So check that out. Right now we have an incredible special, a launch special on that, and it's only $47, which I can't even believe we're doing it for that low, because this is an annual rate. Otherwise, you're going to be getting it for $9.97 a month, which is so, I mean, you spend that way more in a month on a lunch. You spend more than that in a day. So check that out with everything that you're going to be able to get in that. It's amazing. You're going to have coaching calls. You're going to have conference calls. You're going to have resources that are available to you to help you launch. We'll have meditations, guided biblical meditations to help you renew your mind. There's all kinds of stuff, and there'll be a private forum that you'll be involved in as well. Check that out, and you'll see links for information on that as well. So I really want you to be able to live the life that God has called you to live. One more thing that I want to make clear to you, too, is we're going to be doing a webinar this coming Thursday night, and that might even be today. And then we're also going to be doing a webinar also on Friday. So look on there for the dates and all the details as far as the webinar that we're going to be holding, to give you more information about everything that's up and coming. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.